Now, in addition to using numbers to work out the actual notes in a chord, I also use numbers to associate chords in a song. So a lot of people learn a song, oh, it's 3 chords in the song, and the chords are C and F and G. All right, well, you can learn a song like that, but the problem is what happens if you get a singer and they go, oh, that key's not good for me, I need to play it in the key of A. Well, you don't know how to play it in the key of A because all you know is that you learned how to play it in the key of C with C, F, and G. So here is how you learn chords based on numbers. If a song is written in the key of C, then the first chord is a C, and if the other chords in it are F and G, so the first chord would be a C, your thumb's going to be on the C, then other chord which is an F, your thumb's going to be on the F, and then your thumb's going to be on the G. When you're playing the whole chords, it's going to be like this, C, here's the F chord, F, G. Okay, instead of thinking of those chords as C, F, and G, I think of them as 1, 3, and 5, because that's what they are. Because in the key of C, C is the number 1 chord, but in the key of C, an F chord is a 4 chord. So that's what it's called, it's a 4 chord. And a G chord is a G chord. I'm not talking about notes now, I'm talking about the chord that starts with the letter G, all right? So there are about 10.5 million songs that are 3-chord songs that are 1, 4, 5 songs. So in the key of C, they use C, F, and G as chords. Every 50 song, 60 song, like Twist and Shout. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby, now. All right, I'm not singing very well. Come on and work it on out, but you recognize it. Work it on out now. You know you look so good. Johnny B. Good. You're down in Louisiana, down in New Orleans, la 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 down the Evergreens. 4, la 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 da. C, da 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 da. 5, da 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 da. 4, da 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 da. C, da 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 da. Okay, so I'm kind of jumping ahead, but there are a ton of songs that use the 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord. Now here's the cool thing. If you learn those chords as 1, 4, and 5, and in the key of C they happen to be C, F, and G, then when somebody says, oh, that's not a good key for me, can we play it in the key of A, you are not out of luck. You know exactly what the chords are. Because in in A, your thumb is on the A, the 4 chord is a D, and the 5 chord is an E. Alright, so now you know that the chords you need to play the exact same song, this exact same 1, 4, 5 song in the key of A is A, D, and E. And again, I'm not talking about notes, I'm talking about chords. So an A chord, your thumb's going to be there, and then there's 3 in between, and then 2 between there. That's an A. The D is here, 3, 2, and the E, 3, and 2. So now shake it up, baby, twist and 1, 4, 5, 4, 1, 4, 5, 1, 1. All right, somebody says, no, I still can't do that. Let's play it in the key of G. You go, okay, no problem, because you put your hand down and you go, okay, G, that's the 1, C is the 4, D is the 5. So now it's G, C, and D. So as long as you learn the song as 1, 4, 5, you can go, okay, 1, 4, 5, 4, 1, 4, 5. Get up, baby, now shake it up, baby. Twist and shout, twist and shout. So whenever I learn a song, I learn it by numbers. Oh, okay, it's 1, 4, 5, and then 6, 2, whatever. And because I know the numbers, no matter who I'm playing with, whatever key I'm playing, and I can play it easily. So that is a quick overview of how to learn songs based on numbers instead of chord letters.